Welcome. And now let's talk about the main command, which is PHP Artisan. So it is used frequently in your terminal. So this command is very helpful to create your controller model migration, request notification, and many things. And you can do it with your. So let's open our terminal and go to your directory cd XAMPP htdocs and smart expense where we have a Laravel source. So clear screen, and here so PHP Artisan. So this command we can use PHP Artisan make controller. We can create our model and model name, which will be first letter will be capital. So you can make your request so for validations, and we can use to PHP Artisan route list to see the list of our route. So we can use PHP Artisan route list, and right now there are two routes, and we will use PHP Artisan to clear cache application cache. So we will can clear all our application cache, so we can clear our configuration if we change some changes in configuration. So sometimes it is not affecting, so we can create our config cache, PHP Artisan config clear. So and so we can check how many commands are there. So we just PHP Artisan and hit enter. So here is the list of command. Uh, so that is our use available commands. So migrate, we can use PHP Artisan migrate to run the database migration, and serve PHP Artisan serve that run your application server. Tinker, insert with your application, interact with your application. So we can use tinker command to insert data into our database. So bring the application out of the maintenance mode. So we can down our application. So put the application into your maintenance mode, and we can define also through the app name. So PHP Artisan app, give the name, set the application namespace. So cache or cache clear cache. So we can use PHP Artisan cache clear, PHP Artisan config clear. So remove the configuration cache file, we can create it. So and also for CD, PHP Artisan DB for seed the database with record with dummy records. You can put by seed. So event generate PHP Artisan key generate set the application key. So it will set the application key. So and for the frequently is used make command. So we can make our controller factory listener mail middleware migration model. So provider request resource seeder. So make is the frequently used command for that. So for migration, we can create our migration PHP Artisan migrate fresh, drop all tables and return all migration. So it will drop all the tables and return. It will return the all the migration. Install the migration repository, not necessary. Refresh. reset and rerun all the, so it will reset the migration and rerun all the other. If you do PHP Artisan migrate colon reset, roll back all database migration, it will roll back. So this command is will roll back and run the migration as well. So there is a difference. So we will check it when we constitutively use the migration, when we create migration. So simple rollback it will roll back the latest database migration that is recently created, and we can check our status of migration. So you can check your by entering PHP Artisan, all the listed command will be there. Okay, clear screen. And what else? Let's check our application is running. So you can see application is running, and we can down it, PHP Artisan down. So application is now in maintenance mode. So refresh, you will see be right back. So application is in maintenance mode. So we can run our PHP Artisan up. The application will be run. Application is now live. So refresh. So you can see the application is live. And PHP Artisan cache clear. So we can clear all cache. So cache cleared successfully. PHP Artisan config clear. So it will clear all the configurations. Configuration cache cleared. So these are the very fruitful commands. Cache clear and config clear. Also, one of more composer dump auto load. So this command is very useful when we have create a new class or custom class or in our controller or a model, but it's not affecting or changing. So we have to compose dump autoload, and the composer will dump all the autoload files, just like database autoload and configuration autoload, and all the classes are autoload. So it will dump and re-autoload that if there is a changes in configuration or database or anything else in autoload file, so we can check it. So when you go to your here in a composer, so required dev, so these are the required web. So PHP file loader, Laravel, and required dev. So any package that are you have installed in your source, if it is not affecting, so you have to do composer dump autoload. So when I press it, it will dump all the autoload file and optimize the autoload files again. So PHP Artisan. So PHP Artisan, what else? Make model. I think this is done. So PHP Artisan migrate. So we can create our migration. When we create our migration, it will create. So when we want to create a migration, PHP Artisan make migrate and migration name. Create table, create underscore smart table. So we can create it through. So this PHP Artisan command is very helpful, and we will continuously use it in our project. So take care.